My dear students, welcome back to chemistry class. In previous class, we have studied about the esterification reactions with intramolecular esterification. And today we are going to discuss about the acylation reactions better. So, acylation reaction of alcohols, one with acid halides and one more with acid anhydrides. These two main important topics we are going to be discussing here. Right. First of all, let us go for reaction with acid halides. How does alcohols undergo acylation with acid halide? Okay, beta, I will tell you. Right. So first of all, what is mean by acid halide formula? What is the formula of acid halide? You should remember, beta. The formula of acid halide is R bonded to C double bond O bonded to X. R bonded to C double bond O bonded to X. This is the formula of acid halide, or we can say acyl halide. Try to remember the formula, beta. Right. First of all, let us go for statement. So here I am going to give you the statement. Alcohols on reaction with acid halides. Alcohols on reaction with acid halides. Reaction takes place here in presence of a catalyst. Important point, Nana. The catalyst is nothing but pyridine. It acts as supporting basic catalyst, Nana. Right. So in presence of pyridine, it acts as a catalytic base. In presence of pyridine, reaction will be takes place between alcohol and acid halides, and here they are going to form the product. The product is nothing but ester, and the byproduct is nothing but HX, means hydrogen halides. Right. Statement, Nana. Alcohols on reaction with acid halides in presence of pyridine, they are going to give the product. The product is nothing but ester, and the byproduct is nothing but hydrogen halides. This is known as acylation reaction, beta. Okay, right. Let us go for reaction. Alcohol, what is the formula? ROH. But here I have written in the form of RO bond H, because of these are the reactions we are discussing under cleavage of OH category. Cleavage of which category, beta? OH category, like this. Yes, it upon reaction with acid halide. What is the formula? R bond C double bond O bonded to X. So alcohols on reaction with acid halides in presence of pyridine, we are going to get the product is what, beta? Ester. So how to write the formula of ester? You know very well. Yesterday we have prepared in esterification also, beta. Right. So in alcohols, OH cleavage will be takes place, and in acid halides, in presence of pyridine, bond going to be cleavage between carbon to halogen, beta. Right. What is the remaining group after cleavage in acid halide? The group is nothing but R bonded to C double bond O. Now here carbon contain charge plus and halogen contain minus. In alcohol, hydrogen contain the charge plus, and in alkoxy group contain charge minus. Minus alkoxy group, it going to be attacks upon positive. So C plus attacked by minus, that is nothing but OR group. To show the variation, here we are writing R prime, here also R prime, beta. R C double bond O R. This is your product. What is the product name, beta? Ester. And remaining here H plus is there, combines with X minus, and that going to be eliminated in the form of HX, that means hydrogen halide. Right, Nana. So another example I want to give you here. Alcohol example, methyl alcohol, CH3OH, undergo reaction with, for suppose R replaced by CH3, this is called acyl chloride, or we can say acetyl chloride, as you wish. Acyl chloride or acetyl chloride. What is the formula, beta? CH3 bond C double bond O bonded to Cl. This is called acyl chloride, or we can say acetyl chloride. Right. Methyl alcohol on reaction with acetyl chloride in presence of pyridine, it going to form the product. The product is nothing but what, beta? Ester. Right. OH cleavage going to be takes place in alcohol, and carbon to chlorine going to be takes place in acyl chloride. In acyl chloride, the remaining group is nothing but CH3 bond C double bond O. That carbon contains charge plus going to be attacked by minus, nothing but methoxy group. As here we are going to write the methoxy group. Remaining H plus combines with Cl and that goes to be removed in the form of what? Beta HCl group. Right. Again this is the formula of what? Ester. But what is the side chain here? Methyl. So we have to say the product. The product name is nothing but methyl. Remaining group CH3COO looking like acetate. So we have to be say that methyl acetate. This is the name of common name of given ester. And for this IUPAC name also I told you yesterday. This is called methyl ethanoate. IUPAC name. But common name is nothing but methyl acetate. Right. So on reaction with methyl alcohol, it gives methyl acetate. And then second example, see here beta. On reaction with ethyl alcohol, it gives what beta? Ethyl acetate. Right. In alcohol, OH cleavage. In acyl chloride, C2 halogen cleavage. Remaining group in acyl halide is CH3 bonded to C double bond O. It's going to be attacked by alkoxy group. The formula is nothing but OC2H5 and H plus combines with Cl and removed in the form of the product is nothing but what beta? HCl. Right. So here what is the bi side product is there? Nano side group is nothing but what? Ethyl. Remaining group is nothing but what? Acetate. So we have to say that the compound name is nothing but ethyl acetate. Right. So these are the reactions of alcohols, acylation with acid chlorides or acid halides, or we can say acyl chlorides as you wish, madam. Right. So statement final thing once again I am going to repeat for you. Alcohols on reaction with acid halides or acyl halides in presence of pyridine gives the product is nothing but ester. Right. So they will ask you one important question and a very important of objective. What is the use of pyridine? Why we are using pyridine here? It acts as catalytic base or base catalytic condition nana. So catalyte का mean तो सबको मालूम to enhances the rate of reaction. And one more very important of catalytic is actually its nature is basic nature. By using this base we can remove the acid. Which acid? HX. So to remove HCl, to remove hydrochloric acid, to remove hydrohalic acid, we are using that is nothing but what beta? Pyridine. So many times repeated in objective question. What is the use of pyridine in acylation? Pyridine we are using to remove what beta? HCl. So when base combines with acid, that going to be neutralized. Okay beta? And we are getting our main product is nothing but what? Ester. Right. Yeah. Acylation of alcohols with acid halides, this reaction was over. Now acylation reaction of alcohols with acid anhydride, but this topic is only for objective. Try to focus. Right. First of all, let us know, sir, what is the formula of acid halide? I will tell you, Nana. Acid halide का formula मैं यहाँ पर लिख लूँ आपके लिए. R bonded to C double bond O, taken twice oxygen. R bonded to C double bond O, taken twice O. This is the formula of acid anhydride without the water condition, Nana. Yes, this formula we can write like this also. See here, R bonded to C double bond O. Here also R bonded to C double bond O. That's why I have written here taken twice. And between two RC double bond O group, here one oxygen is there. That free oxygen I have written here beta. This is the formula of acid anhydride. Okay, right. So statement first of all, alcohols on reaction with acid anhydrides. Acid anhydrides. Reaction going to be takes place in presence of catalytic acid or mineral acids like HCl or H2SO4 like that. No problem, Nana. So alcohols on reaction with acid hydrides, alcohols on reaction with acid anhydrides in presence of mineral acids, they are going to form the product. The product is nothing but ester, and we are getting here one more byproduct. It is also important. This is called carboxylic acid. Here at Tatum we are getting two main product, Nana. One is ester, one more is nothing but carboxylic acids. Let us go for one more time. I am going to revise the statement. Alcohols on reaction with acid anhydrides in presence of mineral acids, they are going to give the product that is nothing but ester, and one more is nothing but carboxylic acids. Right. Let us go for reaction. Alcohol, what is the formula? ROH. Alcohol undergo OH cleavage. Reaction with acid anhydride, already I told you the formula. R bonded to C double bond O, taken twice, again connected to what beta? Oxygen in presence of mineral acids. Again bond going to be cleavage, CO cleavage like in carboxylic acid. So what is the remaining group in acid anhydride? R bonded to C double bond O. I am going to be right here as it is. Here carbon contain charge plus, in alcohol H contain charge plus, and in alkoxy group contain minus. So here be R, here also R, here also R. To get the to avoid the confusion, we are going to write here prime. Okay beta. So remaining R C double bond O plus, plus going to be attacked by what beta? Minus. So this group we have to be attacked here. It means O R prime. So this is your product. The product is nothing but ester. Remaining group, let us go for Nana. R bonded to C double bond O, bonded to O minus, minus will attacked by plus, that is nothing but H plus. So we are getting the product is nothing but R bonded to C double bond O, O minus attacked by H plus. So R C O O H. So this is nothing but what beta? Carboxylic acid. Right. So here I have given one example, Nana. Alcohol is here, I have taken ethyl alcohol. In ethyl alcohol, OH cleavage going to be takes place. Again same thing, this CO bond going to be cleavage, Nana. Here also we can do cleavage, no problem. Right. Remaining group CH3 bonded to C double bond O. CH3 bonded to C double bond O. CH3 bonded to C double bond O attacked by OR, nothing but OC2H5. According to above example. Just to make copy paste to try to see above. Right, Nana. Remaining CH3 COO and combines with H plus. So we are getting the byproduct is nothing but what beta? Acetic acid. So here acetic acid is the byproduct, and your main product is nothing but what is the side chain here beta? Ethyl. So we have to be say that ethyl acetate or ethanoate is the IUPAC name. Right. So alcohols on reaction with acid anhydrides in presence of mineral acids gives esters and carboxylic acids. Example for alcohol, ethyl alcohol. Example for acid anhydride, acetic anhydride. Sir, what is the formula of acetic anhydride? Simple beta. You know the formula of acid anhydride. R C double bond O, taken twice O. In place of R, if R replaced by CH3, that is called acetic anhydride. R replaced by CH3, R replaced by CH3. Remaining group is same, so we have to say that this is called acetic anhydride because of it is coming from acetic acid, derivative of acetic acid, Nana. That's why we are saying this is called acetic anhydride. Okay, alcohols on reaction with acid anhydrides or acetic anhydrides, first of all they are going to form the ester, and one more product is nothing but carboxylic acids. So up to now we have studied two types of acylation. Acylation of alcohol with acid halides, acylation of alcohols with acid anhydrides. But acid anhydride, this topic is only for objective point of view, but above one is nothing but important for theory come objective. Better try to focus, don't neglect, try to make practice. Okay, but in both the reactions, what is the common product? Ester is common product, Nana. Right. So almost all OH cleavage reactions are completed, Nana. In that OH cleavage, some objective reactions are there. Objective reactions without giving any statement, directly I am going to be explained here. Try to focus better. Right. So objective reactions in the topic of OH cleavage. So in the OH cleavage reactions, in the category of OH cleavage, we are going to discuss some objective reactions. In the number one, reaction with oxirane. Reaction with oxirane. You know the formula of oxirane. CH2 bond, CH2. Both CH2s are connected to oxirane, or we can say this is the category belongs to what? Epoxide. I told you clearly in previous class. Right. So shall we go for reaction beta? So reaction with what? Oxirane. Of which compound we are discussing? Alcohol. Right. What is the formula of alcohol? RO bonded to H. So this is nothing but alcohol. Alcohols on reaction with oxirane. What is the formula of oxirane? CH2 bonded to CH2. CH2 bonded to CH2. Both CH2s are connected to oxygen. So this is nothing but what beta? Oxirane, or we can say that epoxide. So here reaction going to be takes place. As compared to carbon, here oxygen contain more electronegativity. This pi bond goes to be delocalized towards the oxygen, and automatically here carbon contain charge plus, oxygen is acceptor, it having the charge is nothing but minus beta. And in here cleavage is nothing but OH cleavage we are discussing. RO charge minus and H charge plus. Now we have to be make a combination of opposite charges, Nana. Right. RO minus attacks upon CH2 plus. The group is CH2, again the group is CH2. CH2 contain plus, attacked by minus, that is nothing but OR. Okay, beta. And next, CH2 contain what? O. Okay, O I have written. O having the charge here, negative, negative going to be attacked by positive. So we are writing here OH. But actually this is the alkoxy alcohol. This is alkoxy group, this is alcohol group. Alkoxy alcohol. Actually these compounds are little bit unstable now. So that's why what we have to do, now we have to do again add the another mole of alcohol. We are going to add another mole of alcohol. Again in that added alcohol, OH cleavage is going to be takes place. Now that H plus combines with OH minus and going to be removed in the form of H2O. In the form of H2O. In the form of H2O. We are removing here OH minus na beta. So it carbon charge is nothing but what? Plus going to be attacked by OR minus. So what you are getting here? First CH2 as it is, it connected to OR. Next, another carbon is there, that is nothing but CH2, it having the charge positive after the use of OH minus. So it going to be attacked by OR. So 1 and 2. Yes, 1 and 2 positions are here connected to what is the group? Alkoxy, alkoxy. So we have to be say that 1, 2 dialkoxy. 1, 2 dialkoxy. Remaining 2 carbons are there, eth, and single bond is there, means we have to be say that ethane. So final statement I am going to be say here now. 1 alcohol, 2 alcohol. In this reaction, how many moles of alcohol we have taken beta here? 2 moles of alcohols here we have considered. So 2 moles of alcohol on reaction with oxygen or epoxide, it gives the product 1, 2 dialkoxy alkane, or we can say exactly 1, 2 dialkoxy ethane. Okay, beta, important for objective, very important. Another important reaction for objective. How does alcohols reacts with ketene? I am not saying ketone beta, ketene. Try to remember the formula, very important. Ketene formula, CH2 double bond, C double bond O. This is the formula of ketene, and they can ask you the question in objective. What are the hybridizations of carbon in ketene? First one contain sp hybridization, second carbon contain sp2 hybridization. Be careful, don't neglect beta. Right. So ketene का formula तुम्हारा mind में fix हुआ बेटा? What is the formula of ketene? CH2 double bond, C double bond O. Right. Shall we read the reaction beta? Alcohol. Alcohol formula is ROH. Because of here we are going to do the cleavage of OH bond. It upon reaction with what? Ketene. What is the formula of ketene? CH2 double bond, C double bond O. Right. Shall we do the reaction now? Yeah, beta. So this is nothing but what is the compound name? Ketene. And what is the compound here? Alcohol. Okay. So as compared to carbon, in ketene, oxygen always contain more electronegativity. So pi bond goes to be shifted towards the oxygen. And central carbon cause charge positive, and last oxygen contain charge is nothing but negative nano. Very good. Here hydrogen contain charge positive and OA group contain charge what beta? Negative. Again we have to do opposite combination को mix करना पड़ेगा. Right. What is the group? CH2 double bond C. Yes, I am going to be right here as it is. C charge positive, it goes to be attacked by negative species. What is the negative beta? OR. Yes, here I have attacked OR. Very good. Next, double bond becomes single bond. Okay, very nice. Oxygen contain charge minus. Yes, minus beta, but that negative charge going to be attacked by positive species, that is nothing but what? Hydrogen. Now this is looking like double bond is nothing but ene carbon connected to OH, nothing but enone. But enone form is always unstable form. Yes, we can upon tautomerism or rearrangement we can change into which form? Keto form. Yes sir, no beta. So that means here we are going to do rearrangement. A dot, a dot means rearrangement we are doing. How to do rearrangement? The bond between oxygen to hydrogen we are going to be delocalized here. At the same time, this pi bond goes to be shifted towards the CH2. Now CH2 contain charge minus attacked by H plus. So that last hydrogen shifted towards the CH2 and CH2 becomes what beta? CH3. Next, double bond becomes single bond, and after that carbon connected to O, but after delocalization of this bond, a single bond becomes what, Nana? Double bond, C double bond O. And below the carbon, what is the group is there? OR group is there. We can write below or we can write above as you wish, Nana, no problem, na? Right. Now you look the formula once. CH3 bond C double bond O bonded to OR. CH3 bond CH3 bond C double bond O bonded to OR. This is looking like the product. The product is nothing but ester. What is the product, beta? Ester. Now I am going to say the statement. Alcohols on reaction with ketene gives the final product is nothing but ester. Remember karna. Alcohols on reaction with oxirane gives 1, 2 dialkoxyethane. Alcohols on reaction with ketene gives final the product is nothing but what, beta? Yes, the final product is nothing but ester. Next go for another objective reaction. Reaction with diazomethane. Diazomethane. Clearly I told you so many times, diazo means N2. What is mean by diazo? N2. Methane formula CH4. But here carbon contain 2 hydrogen. Remaining 2 hydrogens, they are occupied by the positions of 2 nitrogen, Nana. So this is also looking like CH4. Around carbon 2 hydrogens and 2 nitrogen, Nana, looking like methane. So we are saying diazomethane. N2 means diazo. Formula looking like CH4. So we have to say that diazomethane. So what is the formula of diazomethane? CH2N2. What is the formula of ketene? CH2 double bond, C double bond O. You should remember, beta. Right. How does alcohol goes to react with what, Nana? Diazomethane. Alcohol R bonded to OH, or we can say ROH, undergo reaction with diazomethane. The formula of diazomethane is CH2N2, or we can say exactly CH2 bond N triple bond N. This is the exact formula. Central nitrogen around its surrounding 4 bonds are there, means it donated to someone, and here CH2 contain charge is nothing but minus. This is the formula of diazomethane. So what is the formula of diazomethane? Diazomethane formula is nothing but CH2N2, or we can say that CH2 bond N triple bond N, CH2 charge minus, central nitrogen charge is plus, Nana. Right. Yes, the same thing here. Bond cleavage takes place between RO to H, Nana, and H contain charge plus, H contain charge plus, plus given to minus. CH2 minus combines with H plus. CH2 minus combines with what, beta? H plus. The becomes group is nothing but CH3. Now that CH3, after the loss of N2 gas, attacks upon alkoxy group, means the product is nothing but RO connected to CH3. Once again I am going to say, and N triple bond N, as it goes to be removed in the form of N2 gas. So they will ask you so many times, repeated non-objective may. When alcohols react with diazomethane, what is the releasing gaseous product? That is nothing but N2 gas. When alcohols react with diazomethane, the released gaseous product is ether. And what is the main product? The main product is nothing but ether. Ether formula ROR. ROR. R replaced by CH3, or we can say methyl ether. Okay, beta? Right. And in this reaction, we have to use the catalyst HbF4, tetrafluoroboric acid. HbF4, tetrafluoroboric acid. And also we can use one more reagent, catalyst BF3, boron trifluoride or tetrafluoroboric acid. Both they can be used as catalyst in the preparation of ether from the diazomethane. Statement. Alcohols on reaction with diazomethane in presence of HbF4, it gives the product is ether, or we can say methyl ether, but very important, it releases the gas is nothing but nitrogen gas. Right. So H plus combines with CH2 minus, it becomes CH3. CH3 after the loss of N2 gas goes to be attacks upon alkoxy group. That's why here we are getting the product is nothing but ether. Right. Next one is nothing but reaction with inorganic acids. What is mean by inorganic acid? Acetic acid. Acetic acid is organic acid that contain carbon and hydrogen beta. Here I am saying inorganic acids, they should not contain carbon. Means HCl, H2SO4, HNO3, like that, Nana. Alcohols on reaction with inorganic acids, they are going to form the product the product is nothing but inorganic ester. Inorganic what beta? Ester. So same, this is also same thing. Alcohol plus acid gives rise to ester, looking like esterification only. Anyway, so alcohols when reacts with inorganic acids, they are going to form the product. This is inorganic ester. Again same thing, that byproduct is nothing but what beta? Water molecule. Let us go for example. Alcohol, the alcohol is ethyl alcohol, C2H5OH. Undergo reaction with mineral acid, nitric acid. What is the formula of nitric acid? HNO3. We are going to consider here concentrated nitric acid. So concentrated nitric acid formula HNO3 na beta. We can convert this into like this form according to our fetching. Right. HNO3, or we can say HO bonded to NO2. In alcohols, OH cleavage is going to be takes place. In concentrated acid, we have to remove the OH. Now H plus combines with OH and removed in the form of water molecule. Remaining we are going to be right. C2H5O, that remains as it is. Remaining is connected to what is the group nana? NO2. So the product name is nothing but ethyl. C2H5 means ethyl. Remaining NO2 and O, NO3. Ethyl and NO3. NO3 means what beta? Nitrate. So the product is nothing but ethyl nitrate. Ethyl nitrate. Yes, next nana. Ethyl alcohol on reaction with concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4, we can write in the form of HO bonded to SO3H. Again यहाँ पर is OH cleavage. यहाँ पर what ना is we are getting from acid OH, and from ethyl alcohol it gives what? H plus. Now that H plus combines with OH, is we are going to remove the molecule is nothing but water molecule. Remaining C2H5O as it is, and remaining SO3H, it is also as it is. SO3H nana. So what is the product of this compound? C2H5, this is nothing but ethyl. Here hydrogen is there, so ethyl hydrogen. Ethyl hydrogen. Remaining SO3 and O, nothing but SO4. Ethyl H hydrogen, SO4 sulfate. Ethyl hydrogen sulfate, or we can say ethyl bisulfate. This is your product. So ethyl hydrogen sulfate, or we can say ethyl what beta? Bisulfate, is both are nothing but what nana? Inorganic esters. Final touch. Alcohols on reaction with oxirane gives 1,2 dialkoxyethane. Alcohols on reaction with ketene gives what is the product beta? Ester. And alcohols on reaction with diazomethane in presence of HBF4 gives the product is nothing but ether along with the liberation of N2 gas. And alcohols on reaction with inorganic acids, they are going to form the product is inorganic esters like this nana, ethyl nitrate and ethyl hydrogen sulfate, and along with the formation of which molecule? Water molecule. I hope you understand this clearly. Right beta. So up to now OH cleavage reactions are completed, theory along with objective beta. And in tomorrow class we are going to start the reactions of alcohols involving the cleavage of CO bond. Okay beta? Right.